What's up, everybody? Thanks so much for stopping by. So I'm not going to talk much in this video. I just think it's fascinating when I see time lapses of AI learning how to play a game. So here is a game using Pygame that I've coded in Python, um, and using deep reinforcement learning. This is what I've come up with. As you can see, he's very bad so far, but it continues to get better and better. And by the end of it, I think its high score is around 70. Obviously, it's not as impressive as the famous Code Bullet video where he made the perfect algorithm that literally beat the game Snake. If you haven't seen it, definitely check it out. It's fascinating, and I love his videos. But I just wanted to make a time lapse. I'm not really going to talk about my code throughout this video. If you guys want it, let me know, and I'll link the GitHub repo. Um, but I'm just gonna set a time lapse, watch it. If you want to just skip to the end and see what the scores were, do that. And at the top right, you can see the orange line on my chart is the mean, and the blue line is the score. Um, and the x-axis labels are the number of games that it's played. So every time it dies, new game, and so on. So just sit back and enjoy the time lapse. What's up, guys? So just a few things to note. As you can see, the score seems to be tapering off since its high. It got its high, it went down, back up for a little bit, and then it's been pretty consistently going down. Like I said, this is some code I put together in a pretty short amount of time. This is also this entire time lapse was about an hour and 57 minutes, I think it was. So obviously that's a pretty short training session. So I'll probably run a longer one at some point. I don't even know if I'll record it, but I'll just run a longer one and see what happens and see if it gets all the way back to its starting point with this taper off or if it's temporary. Um, yeah, but like I said, I'm new to machine learning. So it's very simple code. It's just a good project that I was able to learn with. But if anybody in the comments below has some tips and tricks for people who are getting into machine learning, like I said, I've used Python for a little while, just not for machine learning. And also, of course, everybody who is a normal viewer of this channel knows that the heart and soul of it is game development. But every once in a while, I want to have fun with other random videos, whether it's something in AI or with Python or JavaScript or C++, whatever it is. I just want to have some random videos just for fun to keep some diversity in the channel slightly, but still being techie. But if you guys want to see game development things where I have more of expertise on, please check out the channel, like and subscribe. I'm developing a game right now called Knights of the Fallen Forest. You can check out the first 2 devlogs that I have in my channel. And if not, then thanks for stopping by.